Hi, scientists. So I'm going to walk you through how to find the article that you need to read for this week's digital notebook. There are two ways to find this article. The first, and probably the simplest, is when you log on to Discovery Ed using your school account. At the very top banner underneath where it says your name, it should say upcoming assignments. And here is our upcoming assignment. How do scientists interpret the fossil record? And if you click on it, it will take you to the exact page that you need to read. This image here matches what you see in your notebook, okay? So we want to make sure we see this title, Earth's History and the Fossil Record, that we're under the Explore tab and we're on page 3. This is the only page we're going to read, okay? Now, if you are having some issues and I'm not posted as your teacher, maybe Mr. Giorfi still is, there's still a way to access this article. So you will go to your home page and this won't be here. If I'm not your teacher, this won't be here. Instead, what I want you to do is scroll to the bottom and where it says My Resources, I want you to click on this green button, your Science Textbook. From there, as long as you've set your textbook up, it should be easy to go to. Now, if you didn't set it up last week, you'll need to go to Course and make sure that you have selected California Grade 8, okay? So if you didn't do this last week, please do that now. Once you've selected that, you're going to scroll down. We're looking for Unit 3. And we are working within Concept 3.1, Earth's History and the Fossil Record. Once you get there, so now we're in the right chapter, now you want to go to Explore, and then click on page 3. So it doesn't matter, even if I'm not your teacher on Discovery Ed, you should still be able to access this article, still be able to read it for your digital notebook. Please make sure to join me for office hours this week if you're having difficulty accessing this page. Have fun, my friends.